What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see your TikTok password. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to your TikTok app just like this. After opening the TikTok app, what you need to do, you have to go to your profile. After going to profile, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then what you need to do, you have to click on settings and privacy. After that you will find the option called account. You have to click on account. After clicking on account, you will find the option called password. You have to click on this. Then TikTok will send a email on your email address. Then you have to put your OTP from email here. So what if you can't access your email or if you forget your email, how you can see your password of TikTok? So let's jump into the video. I'm going to show you what you have to do. You have to click on your settings. Okay, you have to go to your settings. After that you have to scroll all the way down and find an option called Google. You have to click on it. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. After doing so, you have to click on manage your Google account. Then you have to scroll a little bit and then you have to click on security. After clicking on security, you have to scroll all the way down and find the option called password manager. Okay, you have to click on this. Then you have to find the TikTok app here. Then here it is. You have to click on TikTok. You have to put your password or your fingerprint. Then you can see here is your username and TikTok password. If you want to copy it, you can copy it from here. Otherwise, if you want to see it, you have to click on this I button right here, like here. Okay, so this is how you can find your TikTok password on your mobile phone. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.